So fundamentally what we do is we supply small cells to the mobile network operators. We supply things from 4-channel residential cells, like this box here, to full enterprise grade access points like the LTE product behind us here. So the challenge basically over the last several years in this industry is providing high quality, good, reliable telco grade products to the industry that sit within the RF environment that's provided by the macro network. The good news is we've managed to achieve this over the last couple of years. So what we now have is industry acceptance that small cells are highly reliable, they complement the macro network, and they do the job they were always supposed to do. Consequently, we've seen enormous interest, acceleration, and change in that market over the last 6 months. It's a very exciting place to be. Yeah, certainly. So with the stability and with the good product range that we now have out there, companies like Telenor, who we've recently announced our supply agreement with, are purchasing the supply of small cells across their networks. So for example, with Telenor, we'll supply small cells to Telenor subsidiaries around the world, all 11 of them. This, I guess, shows a fairly strong commitment towards small cells from Tier 1 operators like Telenor Group. We announced that roughly 2 weeks ago today at the stand. We also announced our success with Zain in Bahrain, where we'll also supply 3G small cells to the operator there. So a lot of good traction, a lot of good progress. We're going the right way. I think what we're seeing now is femto cells, pico cells, small cells now generally described, are becoming more mainstream. I think 2 years ago, they were fairly well a technology project. They were the next big thing, a lot of work in progress. What's happened now is that we have proven mass market deployments. The one that we are predominantly involved in is the AT&T deployment with Cisco. And there we have a huge number of devices out in the field, live, carrying commercial traffic. The steady performance and solid RF performance of that product with the macro network has enabled the industry to see that this as a technology can perform a very, very solid job in offloading traffic from the macro network. So now there is real acceptance that this group of technologies, if you like, do play a real part in providing real edge of network capacity and coverage benefit. And so it's that shift in the last 6 months that I believe is basically pointing towards the acceleration that we now see in our business. So as we've said, this is the most powerful small cell we've made yet. It's an LTE 3G combined product, so we'll service both LTE phones as well as 3G phones. It will handle up to 150 megabit downloads, very, very powerful. The idea is it will be used in enterprise environments. LTE will carry data, 3G will handle voice traffic. So very strong, very focused, very good product. In addition to supplying small cells, pico cells, femto cells, we also have recently announced a technology cooperation with Electronics. They're a shareholder in the company, and together we've put together an active DAS product, digital antenna system, which addresses certain parts of the mobile market by providing focused antenna solutions for mobile network operators. It's an exciting development, it's unique, and it certainly has a lot of promise.